Human ingenuity is a catalyst for adventure. It sparks new journeys where challenge and excitement thrive. It's here where we have forged the next generation. Introducing Novium Edge and Shuttleport. Edge is a multi-tool that combines the functionality of a letter opener, box cutter, and ruler. Sleek anodized aluminum allows Edge to easily shear through paper, leaving crisp, clean lines. Novium Edge is designed to achieve perfect balance and is contoured for safe handling, while being engineered to effortlessly slice through packaging. Edge's 10cm or 4-inch ruler keeps precision and details close at hand, while Edge is crafted to inspire adventure. A bold and uniquely designed paperclip system, Shuttleport embodies the excitement of putting plans into action. The Shuttleport base orbits around specially designed Novium shuttle clips, suspending them with magnetic energy. The base also features an integrated magnet on the side for additional secure storage. The stainless steel shuttle clips, which come in 2 styles, organize your documents and mark important pages, poised to launch your ideas. Embark on a new journey, fueled by the potential of the unknown. The time is now. Your catalyst for adventure is here.